In late 2021, real estate giant Zillow shut down its home buying business, Zillow Offers, after losing over $500 million and laying off 2,000 employees in a single quarter. The root cause was its AI-powered pricing model that consistently overestimated property values, leading the company to overpay for thousands of homes it later struggled to sell. Zillow had poured serious resources into predictive analytics, but the model, trained on historical trends, failed to account for fast-moving market volatility, labor availability, renovation timelines, and anomalies triggered by COVID-19 and supply chain disruptions. Insiders later admitted that internal governance over the model's assumptions and data refresh cycles were weak. There were few checks for edge case data, and the model lacked adequate human-in-the-loop oversight. An overly aggressive rollout compounded the issue. The company was acquiring homes at a pace far beyond what its governance or data validation structures could handle. This KRI is like a smoke detector for the deeper fire of poor data discipline. When AI and data models start delivering inconsistent or flat-out wrong outputs, it often points to failures in upstream data governance. Common warning signs that this KRI surfaces are broken data pipelines that allow incorrect, outdated, or misclassified data into production AI models, lack of version control or validation before production rollout, weak documentation making it hard to explain or audit model logic, over-reliance on automated outputs without human sense checking, lack of validation layers before deployment, models may pass technical checks but fail reality checks, and governance blind spots, where teams deploy ML AI tools without proper lineage tracking, access controls, or data quality assurance. It's not just about AI errors. This KRI captures failed launches, inflated ROI expectations, and eroded trust across teams who begin to doubt analytics altogether. Companies that excel in managing this risk take three major steps. They implement real-time data quality monitoring at ingestion points using models like Monte Carlo or Big Eye, which automatically detect schema drift, null value spikes, and unusual patterns. They embed model validation gates into their MLOps pipelines, requiring not just performance metrics, but explainability and data quality sign-offs from risk or data governance teams. They establish AI governance boards that review and approve high-impact model launches, especially in pricing, credit, or customer segmentation, where the risk of bias or error is high. JP Morgan Chase, for example, created a model risk governance team with dedicated data stewards who must verify data sets before any model reaches production. After early hiccups with AI-driven credit modeling, the bank implemented a three-layer model governance framework. Model risk management teams validate inputs and testing logic before approval. Data stewards across departments ensure metadata and lineage are captured, and AI risk committees assess the business context and ethics of major rollouts. They also establish thresholds. If a model error exceeds a certain tolerance level or leads to inconsistent outputs, it triggers an automatic halt and review protocol. This reduced project rollbacks by over 40% and helped them meet regulatory expectations in AI transparency. This approach doesn't eliminate errors, it manages them systematically, with a focus on traceability, explainability, and fallback plans. If you're seeing high error rates or failing AI rollouts, the models aren't the only problem. This KRI is a symptom of poor cross-functional accountability, where data teams build but no one governs, where speed trumps scrutiny and AI projects launch without enough testing in live conditions. The fix isn't just better code, it's a culture of structured skepticism, building in friction, and investing in human oversight even when automation feels easier. Because when AI projects fail, they don't just waste money, they erode confidence, derail innovation, and expose the business to serious reputational and regulatory backlash. Stay sharp and carry on auditing.